Guys, another day, another shift finished. Nadaan muna tayo dito sa SM. So, meron dito silang fair. So, we'll just gonna listen to some music and look around. Pero ang importante sa akin ngayon is makadaan sa Lotto. So, makadaan sa Lotto para at least kahit paano makataya for the meantime. But here's some Subway, Dunkin', Mai Tai. So guys, ang daming tao. Everyday na lang ganito. So guys, eto sa Poho and Popeyes over there. So guys, grabe. Everyday. Kaya swerte nung may-ari ng SM eh. Laging malaki kinikita. Anyways, thank you so much guys. Thank you for subscribing in my channel. Sa channel namin ng apo ko. So right now, I want to wish you all a wonderful day. Stay safe and God bless you all. Bye-bye for now.